Sky and candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a quick final review on this hair that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned.
Think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Me and weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that in the ocean.
Okay divas, so I'm here to give you guys my final review. So yeah, and don't mind my face being so plain. Like I just really, I don't know, like I've just been feeling like just having like bare face looking makeup, so excuse that. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about this hair. So I'm here to give you guys my final review on this hair. I wanted to show you guys a couple of clips as well, which that's why I showed you guys a couple of clips, or small clips, short clips showing you guys how I straighten this hair and everything. I did use the chase method and I feel like it worked very well. In my previous video, which I will link down in the description box below, which was my review of this unit, I actually unboxed the unit, I curled this unit, and then I also wore the unit and gave you guys like how I felt about the unit. So if you guys want like more detail than this, because this is definitely just a final review. I have already worn this hair, I've already tested it out. This is just my actual official final review. So yeah, but anyways, I have already done all that, so I have put this hair to the test. And basically I love this hair straight. Now I do not like it curled because of the density. So this is all the hair. Let me make sure I have all of it. This is all the hair to the front. Okay, so this is all the hair to the front. And this is the reason why I like it straight. Because I feel like the density for body wave is not high enough. I believe this is the density of, I think this is a density 150 density. I feel like maybe with body wave I would prefer for it to be like 180 or even 200%. Just because of the simple fact that, I don't know, like I just feel like if I'm gonna have to curl the hair or wear it in like a wavy pattern, I just want it a little bit more full. So yeah, that's why I really like it straight. But overall, the quality of this hair is absolutely amazing. This hair is very, very nice. Like, you guys, this quality is nice. Now the ends are a little bit stringy in my personal opinion, but it makes it look all the more natural in my personal opinion. So I really do love this as like a straight unit. Like if you want like the perfect straight unit, or you want the perfect hair that you can flat iron, I feel like this is definitely it. Like I would definitely, like, if you like this look, this natural look, which is nice because you could wear this every day, I would definitely recommend it. It's very nice. Another thing I want to point out is that their cap construction is impeccable. So it does come with your standard cap construction of 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, but it also comes with a very nice thin lace. Now I did do a lot of baby hairs today. You definitely do not have to do that. It's all off of personal preference, but I did go ahead and just put my middle part, which I really love, and I didn't apply any powder or anything, and it looks very, very good. So their lace is very nice. Like it melts like directly into your skin. Like you don't have to do much. Like literally I just put Got To Be and blow dried it and I was good to go. So, and I put very little at that because I'm not gonna wear this wig for a long time. But yeah, like this wig is very, very nice. I would just say that this density, if you want to curl it and stuff, definitely go higher on the density. But other than that, this is a very nice quality wig. Like I really do like it. I really have been enjoying it, and yeah, overall I really do like it. I would definitely recommend it. It's definitely some good hair because I have washed and styled this hair quite a few times and she's still holding her own. So I really do like this hair and I cannot keep my hands out of it. I know you're like, girl, stop with the running your fingers through your head, but it's just the hair is just so soft and nice and I really do like it. So yeah, anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in this wig, I will definitely have a link down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. But other than that, that is all, divas. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up if you found this video very helpful, easy to follow. Make sure you leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns or anything like that, and let me know if you got this wig and what you think about it. Or don't send me a paragraph though, or like a review. Like if you have a review, like just post your own channel or your blog. And then be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.